Hi, this is Omar from Durub Consultancies, and this is part 8 of our CRM system. Here we will introduce the contact and company modules. And actually all modules in the system follow the same procedures in terms of adding a new record or editing a record, as we will see now. This is the CRM application. This application will be distributed to all users in the network. Double click. This is the main page. We discussed it in the last video. If you want to see the modules in the system, we click at View. We have contacts, companies, assets, projects, finance, materials, knowledge base, and CRM files. Now, all of these modules follow the same procedures as we will discuss in contact and companies. So actually, we will discuss in details about the contact modules. We will discuss in brief the company's modules, but what we will discuss in contact apply to all modules. Let's go to companies first. Let's add few companies. Now, each module will have a database and pages. The database, as for example, company database, is a list of records inside this database. At this time, there is only one record. To add a new record, we click at Options, Add New. Let's add a new company, which is Company A. Let's add a new company, another new company, which is Company B. You see, all of these boxes are sunken boxes. It means that they are read-write boxes. Here where you can add or edit data. History, extra fields, files, and relation, we will discuss them in the later videos. Exit. Let's exit. We will discuss this one in the contact database because it is the same here. It's the same as in the contact database. Exit. View. Let's go to contacts. There is at the moment for contacts, for records. This is the contact database, and there is 4 records in this database. Now, all database will have these buttons and red text boxes. This one is about the sort by option. The default is contact ID. It's been sorted by contact ID, and it is Z to A. If we want to reverse it, then it is A to Z. We can change the contact ID to, for example, contact name. This is the contact name. So it's been sorted by the contact name, A to Z. If you want to make it, we can make it Z to A or return back to A to Z. If you want to return to the default, we click default. The default is A to Z, and the default here is contact ID. And we can change the default by clicking at Options, Sort Default. We can choose the field, or choose the default for the direction. Let's add. Okay, let's finish this page. We can search here for all records. So if we type hour and click search, this record has the word hour in it. Or we can search for a specific field. Let's say we are searching for contact 2. This is contact 2, and we can click clear search, and we return back to the main lists. You can refresh the database, and we will speak later on about these options. But at the moment, let us add a new contact. Let's Ali. Let's choose the company. Let's make it company A, and let us create an email for Ali. This is just an example. As I said, history, extra fields, files, and relations, we'll speak about it in a later videos. Click exit. Let us make another contact. Let's make it Steve. Let's make the email steve@xyz.com, and let the company be the same, company A. Now, let's click at the options here. We can add a new contact directly from this contact page rather than returning back to the contact database. Calendar, file management, and relationship, we will speak with them. We will speak about them in the later videos. View colleagues. Steve is working in company A. So if you want all the people that they are working in company A, we just click view colleagues. And these are all the people in the system that they are working in company A. Returning back to Steve. Options. Choose company. Suppose that now what we said before is that red box means it will, if you click at it, it will lead you to a form or to a page. If we click here, we will go to the company A data. However, suppose Steve went to another company, that is company B. How we can change the company name? How we check the company for Steve? We click at options. We click at choose company. We have the option to clear, or we have the option to choose another company. Return back to options. View changes. We spoke in one of the videos related to the admin that there is 3 privileges for viewing change. The user can view the change for the page, all the changes that happened to a page, or he had the privilege to see all the changes that happened to a database, or he can view all the changes that happened to the whole system. This is how to view the changes that happened to this specific page. There is 4 changes happened to this page, and this is the last edition. In this record, for example, the CRM username, the CRM ID, which is 1, the computer where the change happened from. This computer, the first is the computer username, which is Uma, and the computer name, which is work PC, and this is the time. And actually we can see, we can return back to the page by clicking here. We can add a picture to this page. Let's add a picture, and let's add any picture. This is just an example. Let's put this picture, for example. So for example, if we went to contact Steve, we find this picture. We can click at it and we can magnify it. Option, we can just change the picture. We can change the picture or clear the picture, and we clear it. You can refresh this page, and you can close all pages except this page and the main page. So if I click here, all pages except the contact page and the main page. So these are the options. As I said, calendar, file management, and relationship will be discussed in later videos. Let's go to contacts again. Let's speak about these options. We spoke about add a new contact. We can export to Excel. So the data here can be sent to Excel sheet. This is an Excel sheet. I can export emails. This is useful if you want to make a bulk emails. I will just collect all the emails in the database. So the system will ask you, do you want the work email or the private email or both? Let's choose both. And at the moment, these are the emails in the system. What you'll do is you copy and you go to your email and you send a bulk email. That's useful for bulk emails. This is to view the whole changes that happened in the database. At the moment, there is 8 changes that happened in the contact database. Sort default, we spoke about it. Export to report is the same as export to Excel, but in this case, we are exporting data to report. This will ask you about the field you want, options, tick all, untick all, or return to original. And if you click OK, you will have the report and you can just print it. And close all other. We'll close all other page except this page, the database page, and the main page. This is the end of part 8. Thank you for watching.